cut the melon. This is how I cut the melon. First, do like this. You wash it first and then do a cross section. Then you remove the bones. We remove the bones here. We don't eat the bones, the seeds. Okay, and then you cut it in half, cut some more, and then you put them on the side and begin to peel like that. I bought this from Migros for 1 franc. They're not too bad. It's expensive, but everything is expensive. See? And then this, I cut. Okay, now after cutting, I cut it further into like this. 1, 2. So what I do is I wash my hands and then get a glass like this, and then I put and then I put it in the fridge. So this is the final product. Thank you guys. Bye bye.